Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to check your GPU temperature in Windows 11 without needing to download any third-party apps. This is a great way to monitor your graphics card's health and performance directly from your operating system. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to ensure your Windows 11 is up to date. Microsoft has integrated more hardware monitoring features in recent updates, and staying updated will give you access to these tools without needing external software. Open Task Manager. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can right-click the Start button and select Task Manager from the menu. Go to the Performance tab. You'll see a series of sections like CPU, memory, disk, and, crucially for us, GPU. If you have multiple GPUs, they'll be listed as GPU 0, GPU 1, and so on. Select the GPU you want to check. With the GPU selected, look at the bottom of the Task Manager window. Here, you'll see various statistics about your GPU's performance, including its temperature. The temperature is listed under the GPU temperature section and is displayed in degrees Celsius. A few things to keep in mind. Not all GPUs support temperature monitoring in Task Manager. This feature is more commonly available on newer models. If you don't see a temperature reading, it might be because your GPU or drivers don't support this feature. Monitoring your GPU's temperature can help you identify if your computer is overheating or if there are any issues affecting your GPU's performance. Generally, a temperature between 65 degrees Celsius and 85 degrees Celsius under load is considered normal, but this can vary based on the make and model of your GPU. And that's all there is to it. Without needing to install any third-party applications, you can easily keep an eye on your GPU's temperature directly through Windows 11's Task Manager. This method is quick, easy, and effective for basic monitoring of your system's health. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.